Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. This is Merced. So in today's video ay ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano po mag-invite ng mga friends nyo to like your Facebook page or your business page. Either fan page, business page, or in short, just Facebook page. Okay, so I'll be teaching you on how to do it using your desktop or your computer or your laptop, and also using your mobile or cell phone. So first is gagawin po natin is using desktop or yung laptop natin. So of course, punta lang po tayo sa ating Facebook account, mag-login po tayo, and then we find the Facebook page na gusto natin na ipa-like and follow na rin. So ayan, andito na po ako sa aking Facebook account. Nakalagin na po ako. So, I'm just going to put in the search bar the name of the page na gusto ko po na ipa-like and follow ng aking mga friends. Okay, so that's going to be eto siya, yung MSM Gold Jewelry Shop. So, ayan. I'm just gonna click the page. And then, kung mapapansin nyo dito on the right hand side, on the top part or portion, mayroon po siyang 3 dots. Ito. Tapos, on the bottom part, mayroon po ditong invite friends. So, we're just gonna click on invite friends. Tapos, we have here not invited, selected, and invited. So, wala ba ako na-invite dito? So, if you want to select all your friends, you can do select all. Click nyo lang ito. Tapos, send invites. But if gusto nyo naman na ma-notify yung invites nyo or yung friends nyo na ini-invite nyo siya via messenger, then the thing to do is, you only have to select a maximum of 50 people. Ayan. So, kunwari, magkiklik ako ng 50 people. Random na lang ito. Basta aabot lang siya ng 50. Ayan. And we have here 50. So, if you can see right here, pinapansin niyo po dito, naka-blue pa itong box na tinitik natin, which says, also send each invite in messenger. So, that's if maximum of 50 people lang po yung ini-invite natin. But if lalagpas siya, you will notice mawawala itong blue. Wala na yung check. So, i-check natin. Gagawin natin 51 people. So, ayan. Ayan. White na lang pala siya yung box. So, wala na yung check na may, blue color. Ayan. So, ibawasan naman natin. Ayan. So, ito actually ang ginagawa ko if gusto kong ma-notify yung tao na ini-invite ko. Kasi usually, mas okay siya pag na-notify siya sa messenger. So, i-click mo lang itong send invites and then you will just wait for the response to like and follow your page. I'm not sure also why it's, what's happening. Because I've tried with my other pages wherein marami na po kong na-invite na tao. But then, if I do the select all, hindi ko na siya magagawa kasi wala na siya. So, say for example, itatype ko yung isang other page ko. Ito. I have invited quite a lot of people already here. So, punta lang ako sa invite friends. What's happening? Ayan, invite friends. So if you can see right here, I have 720 friends na hindi ko pa na-invite, and I have 4,221 friends that I invited already. But of course, I didn't get much response. Konti lang yung nag-like sa page. But if you can see right here, supposedly may mag-appear dito na select all, but unfortunately, wala siya. So, I don't know. Maybe it's not showing if, may na-invite ka na tao. I don't know. I don't know what's up with Facebook lately. But yeah, ganyan po siya. But then it's different case when you are using mobile, and I'll show it to you later. And another thing also, if you are inviting a friend or friends na hindi mo naman pagmamay-ari yung Facebook page or yung business page. Alright, so say for example, Paymaya. Ayan. So, same thing pa rin yung gagawin natin. Punta lang tayo dito sa up right hand corner ng page. Tapos, hanapin yung 3 dots. I-click natin. And invite friends. So, same thing lang actually yung gagawin. Select all pag gusto mo. I-invite lahat ng friends mo. Tapos, pag gusto mo naman ma-notify sila on their messenger, ayan, click mo ito, tapos pipili ka lang ng maximum of 50 people. So, ganyan lang po siya. And then, I'll show you also another page. Ayan, ito si, Blinky Smile Makeover Dental. I don't know why is it that if I want to invite friends right here, hindi ko naman makikita yung select all. So, I don't know exactly what's up with Facebook. Bakit ganyan siya. So, if you know anything about it, just comment down below what's happening, what's up with that. Alright, so I've decided I'm just gonna end here. So, I'm just gonna do the part 2 of this one on another video wherein I'll be teaching you on how to invite using mobile so as not to make this any longer. So if you find this video helpful, do consider subscribing and click the like button below, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless everyone.